What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, just gonna be putting a nitrous kit. We got a Assassin 4150 nitrous express plate for Dad's S-10 that we're gonna be putting on, and we're gonna take a little ride in the little rat rod mail Jeep, and I'm gonna throw in a clip. We tried to take the G8 to Fayetteville and it broke the diff second pass, so I just got me a diff the other day for it, 345 diff, just another used diff. But I know I haven't posted in a while, so just doing this video to put something together and update y'all.
Where are we heading today, babe?
Heading now to Fayetteville drag strip. They got a Freaky Friday test and tune tonight. We're gonna go run the G8. Cause shoot, it's been about 3 months since we ran it down in Florida. What, the end of January? So January, February, March, April, and it's beginning of May. So yeah, about 3 months. Just go knock the dust off of it. Go down here, have a little fun, see if we can't get a race. Check in with y'all when we get back out there.
See ya.
See ya. Don't scratch nothing up.
Riley, quit saying that.
Quit yanking it so hard. Oh, you about to hit it?
Riley, no more.
You're close.
No more.
You're scrubbing down the side of it.
Riley, no, I'm not. He's on the front.
Oh, he was scrubbing down the side of it.
Now, me up here. Before it, somebody else. No.
Mine won't scrub when I was over
Go
there.
pop a
Has
wheelie.
he got gas?
I don't know. It hadn't been cranked in. I don't know how long moved.
I ain't got no gas. Hi. Hey.
Take off on my ride.
Had to clear the carburetor out. Had to clear the carburetor out. Remember the front brakes, foot brakes are better than the hand brakes.
Yeah, right. Quit tearing up.
was driving, I could have rode it out. I could have rode it out longer.
It's on. Ready? All right.
You got your driver's license?
See, yeah, I got my permit. Tell Papa, tell Daddy.
You got your permit?
All right, watch this. All right, you ready?
What's going on, y'all? My GoPro died on the time lapse whenever we was putting the new 345 diff in a G8, but we got it in, took it up the road. It's being 90 degrees here in North Carolina, so we might wait for it to cool back off one day before we take it to the track, see what it picks up. Which ain't expect nothing too crazy. Just went from the busted up to 327, so we just went to a 345 this time. We had definitely got our money's worth out of this used 327 I had put in the car a little over 4 years ago. Not sure what had actually broke at Fayetteville. Didn't know if it was the diff or axle, but glad it didn't happen when we were way down in Florida in January. Once I dropped the diff down, some chunks of the spider gears or carrier had fell out. I'd asked the local shop about building this diff with a true track and new gears, but never heard back. So I ended up just finding a used 50,000 mile diff on Marketplace that wasn't too far from us, so I just ran and scooped it up. All that's left now is to touch the tune up and then take it to the track and make sure it runs through all the gears and hits all the shift points right. This, I know it's not a big gear change, but it should pick us up to the 60 a little bit and maybe our track speed, put us a little higher in RPM going while we're crossing the stripe. So we'll see how it does. So out here at Goliath, Dad brought his truck. I got the diff in the G8, but I didn't bring it out here to run it. It's gonna be hot today, and he just put that new stall in his truck, so we just gonna mess with it. Most time it's so crowded here, it's hard to bring two cars and try and run it. I'm gonna get on Dad about his wiring. Look at that crap. Look at that. What y'all doing in here?
Taking a nap.
My dog rolling in 30 minutes before they close the place. Post a video of us running our buddy Darius. We ran Dad's truck on motor, and he's got a LS1 F body on a little bit of gas. Street car.
would.
No.
Yeah, it would, man.
Scared the crap out
Hell,
of
he's tied inside the car. What's he gonna do? He can't get him. There you go.